1 minute skatepark guide, Woodlea Skatepark Aintree, Victoria. Although this skatepark lies in Aintree, I ain't calling it that because there's one around the corner called Aintree Skatepark. This is a brand new park and they have invested some serious coin into it. Let's take a tour through this amazing concrete playground. Starting with the mini ramp, but with a catch. It has something good, the kink that drops and turns into something not so cool, the sharp protrusion from the transition. That honestly just gets in the way. The tiles above the sticky outie bit was cool though, and makes a really good noise. Then you have a nice 6-foot quarter pipe that is at 90 degrees to the mini. Lots of fun and endless possibilities there. Then we make our way to the curved ledge. One side has about a 2-foot gap and the other joins onto the coping. Very cool. Everyone loves a curved ledge. One of the first things to catch my attention was the spine with a single fat piece of coping. This was a little bit tricky to grind at the start, but it turns out that the best way to approach it is to do the whole thing without using the spine. Another cool quarter pipe at the top of the park that you can use to get lots of speed, and good for grinding and doing airs and also spinning off. There are 2 rails that go flat and then down, and they're on both sides and are a generous length. And a ledge placed in the center of them with one end angled into a rollable bank. This was lots of fun. There were also some ledges and rails scattered around the park at different heights and lengths. There is a rail on top of a box so you can easily launch on top of it and land on the down bank. The edges are painted so it slides great and is good for tech tricks. The big run-up bank was more than just a place to get speed. It also slides really good and is good for getting air on. There are even more ledges and they even put metal edging on both sides, but they didn't think anyone would grind the garden side, did they? We all love this park and would highly recommend visiting if you're out this way.
5 out of 6.
5 out of 6 back. Oh, sure.
5 out of 6 as well.
Definitely a 5 out of 6.
4.5.
Yeah, I think 5. 5's fair.
Why don't we be on 5?
5, yeah. Yeah. And then let Hayden finish with